Welcome back to my class on the third module of your text, Transactions Essential English Language Skills. Here I will discuss exercises from the page number 57 of your textbook under the section Present Continuous Tense. We can begin with the pre-learning task. Take page number 57. Before watching this video, you write the answers of all exercises in this section from page number 57 to 63. A pre-learning task and 5 exercises are there. You write answers of the whole questions and after that watch this video. Now take page number 57, pre-learning task. Say whether the following sentences are correct or not. One example is given. Look, it rains now. This statement is incorrect. Correct sentence is look, it is raining now. The present continuous tense is used for actions that are going on at the time of speaking. At the time of speaking, it is raining. It is raining now. Now it is raining. So present continuous tense is used. I am not agreeing with your opinion. First question. The sentence is incorrect. The correct answer is I don't agree with your opinion. Agree is a stative verb. So usually simple present tense is used. I don't agree with your opinion. What are you doing? I am reading. These sentences are correct because present continuous tense is used for actions that are going on at the time of speaking. What are you doing? Now what are you doing? I am reading now. She is watching TV over there. This sentence is incorrect. She is watching TV over there. We are talking about what she is doing now. At present, she is watching TV. They are doing a course in English. This sentence is correct. Present continuous tense is also used for an action happening about this time. That may not necessarily be at the moment of speaking, but they are doing a course in English. At present, they are doing a course in English. Now exercise number 1 from page number 61. Discuss the differences in meaning of the italicized verbs in each group of sentences given below. Here you can see 2 columns. 5 sentences are there in the first column and 5 sentences are there in the second column. First I will read first A. These flowers smell good. First B. Jinan is smelling the flowers. So what are the differences between these 2 statements? These flowers smell good. Jinan is smelling the flowers. As we discussed in the previous class, the continuous tense are chiefly used for actions and happenings. The example, they are eating, it is raining. Some verbs like know, like are not action verbs. Smell, know, like. They describe certain states or conditions. They are not normally used in continuous tense. These verbs are known as dative verbs. These dative verbs describe certain states, conditions or situations. Some stative verbs have stative meaning and progressive meaning. So in certain contexts they are used in progressive tense also. But normally these verbs are used in simple present tense. The first sentence, these flowers smell good. We are talking about the quality of flowers, the state or quality of flowers. So smell in the first sentence is a stative verb. These flowers smell good. We don't say these flowers are smelling good. Jinan is smelling the flowers. Here we are describing a deliberate action of Jinan. Jinan is smelling flowers. That is an action of Jinan. The person is smelling flowers. So present continuous tense is used. These flowers smell good. Here we are describing the quality of flowers, the fragrance of flowers. So simple present tense is used. I think Thomas is a kind man. Here also we are describing the certain state, condition. I think Thomas is a kind man. We don't say I am thinking Thomas is a kind man. Think as a stative verb. I am thinking about this grammar. I am thinking about it. That is, this statement describes a deliberate action of the speaker. I am thinking about this grammar. So simple present tense is used in the first sentence. Present continuous tense is used in the second sentence. I see a butterfly. Do you see it too? See as a stative verb. I see a butterfly. We don't say I am seeing a butterfly. Vishak is seeing a doctor about his abdominal pain. Here seeing a doctor means having an appointment with the doctor. See has a different sense here. I am seeing a doctor means I have an appointment with a doctor. I have a meeting with the doctor. I am going to Vaishak has an appointment with the doctor. Vaishak has a meeting with the doctor, or Vaishak is going to consult the doctor. Laila looks cold. I will lend her my coat. Here look as a stative verb. Some state condition of Laila is described. Renu is looking out of the window. She sees a butterfly. Here an action of Renu is described. What is Renu doing? Renu is looking out of the window. Shyam appears to be asleep. Let's not disturb him. Here appear as a stative verb. We describe certain states, condition of Shyam. My favorite actor is currently appearing at the Paramount. Here appear has a different meaning. Appear means perform, take part in a play, film, TV, program, etc. My favorite actor is performing or taking part in a film or play or TV program. So here the first column, the verbs are used as stative verbs. The second column, the verbs are used in progressive tense. The first column, verbs are used in simple present tense. Now exercise number 2. Choosing the correct tense. In the conversation between two friends below, put the verbs in brackets into the present simple or present continuous. Here you have to fill in the blanks using the correct form of the verbs given in brackets. I hear you are working at a call center at the moment. What's it like? I hear you are working. Now you are at present you are working. I hear here as a stative verb. Now you are working at a call center. It's fine. Although it's very hard work. I'm always tired, but I do not mind. I don't mind. Is the money good? No, not really. But I like the work hours. We won't say I am liking the work hours. I like the work hours. Like as a stative verb. You know I don't like working early in the morning. Oh yes, I remember the work hours. I remember now. You never used to get up before 11 a.m. Well, I'm not like that now, but I certainly don't like getting up before 9 a.m. Anyway, tell me about you. What are you doing now? Now what are you doing? At the time of speaking, what are you doing? At present, what are you doing? So, present continuous tense is used. The person is asking the other person about his occupation, his or her occupation. I am still a student, and the reply is that the person is still a student. Actually, I am working quite hard at the moment. At present, I am working quite hard because my exams are next week. I am working quite hard at present. Now, present continuous tense is used. Oh well, good luck to your exams. I must go now. I don't want to be late. I don't have my car anymore. I'm cycling everywhere now. Present continuous tense is used in order to describe the condition of the person now. Now I am, at present I am cycling. I am using a cycle instead of car. Next exercise number 3. Extending headlines. Newspaper headlines often use the simple present, but the articles sometimes use the present continuous to describe activities that are still going on. Extend the headlines and rewrite as shown in the examples. Do you have a habit of reading newspaper? You might have noticed the title, headlines of newspaper is short, precise. And the reporter elaborate the news in the article. They elaborate the news in detail. Here headlines are given for you and you have to elaborate it. One example is there. Mumbai police looks for stolen paintings. Museum offers big reward. Police in Mumbai are looking for the thief who stole a precious painting. The museum is offering a big reward for anyone who helps recover the lost paintings. So in the article, the reporter elaborate the headline. Headline is precise. Only a few words are used in the headline, and a detailed description is given in the article. And present continuous tense is used. So the first question is, Indian scientists examine Mars rocks and try to find signs of life. So we can rewrite it like this. Scientists in India are examining the rocks of the Mars and they are trying to find signs of life. Delhi man builds own rocket and plans to reach moon. A man in Delhi is building his own rocket and is planning to reach the moon. Tokyo woman celebrates 120th birthday and looks forward to the 121st. A woman in Tokyo is celebrating her 120th birthday and is looking forward to celebrate the 121st birthday. Grandmother still works at supermarket at 76. But thinks of retiring. The grandmother is still working at the supermarket at 75. But she is thinking of retiring. Thus, in this way, we can extend the title, we can elaborate the title using present continuous tense. You go through English newspaper and find similar examples. Now exercise 4. Use either the simple present or present continuous of verbs in the parenthesis. Here a verb is given in the bracket. Correct form of the verb should be used. The verb will be either in simple present tense or present continuous tense. I can't afford that ring. It costs too much. Cost is a stative verb. We won't say it is costing too much. Instead, it costs too much. Look, it is beginning to rain. Look, it is now. It is raining. Unfortunately, I don't have an umbrella with me. Tom is lucky. He is wearing a raincoat. Now he is wearing a raincoat. I do not own an umbrella. I wear a waterproof hat on rainy days. So here this sentence conveys the person's habitual action. I don't own an umbrella. I don't have an umbrella. I usually wear waterproof hat on rainy days. Usually I wear waterproof hat for habitual action. Simple present tense is used. Usually I sleep until 6 o'clock in the morning. Here also habitual action. Habit. The person's habit. Usually I sleep until 6 o'clock in the morning. Then I get up and study for my classes. This is the routine of the person, the speaker. Simple present tense is used here. Next statement. Shh, Grandpa is taking a nap in the living room. We are talking about something that is happening at the time of speaking. Now Grandpa is taking a nap. Now Grandpa is sleeping. Present continuous tense is used. We do not want to wake him up. He needs rest. Right now I'm looking at Drishya. Now I am looking at Drishya. I wonder what's wrong. She has a frown on her face. She certainly is not having fun now. At present, she's not having fun now. Simple present tense is used for habitual action in order to indicate routine or for stative verbs. Simple present tense is used. Present continuous tense is used in order to indicate an action that is happening at the time of speaking. Next, last exercise. Make sure you know all the expressions given below. Then underline the best answer. Is Anne enjoying her birthday? Answer is I hope so. We are not happy with your work. I see. Is Shaji coming to dinner? I hope not. Do you like this music? I think so. Who wrote War and Peace? I don't know. It's Tuesday. I know. We are too early. It doesn't matter. This here we have completed the fifth exercises. Fifth exercise from the section. We have completed all 5 exercises from the section present continuous tense from page number 57 to 64. Here I am going to wind up this class. Thank you.